Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Prerna and I'm a nutritionist and a fitness expert. On my channel, I post videos about nutrition, fitness and healthy eating. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the differences between vegan or veganism and vegetarian or vegetarianism. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about vegetarian diet. A vegetarian is someone who does not eat any meat, fish, or any byproducts of animal slaughter. Vegetarian diets consist of various types of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. The inclusion of dairy and eggs depends on the type of vegetarian diet you follow. The most common types of vegetarians include Lacto-ovo vegetarians. They are the vegetarians who consume dairy and egg products but avoid all meat products. Next is lacto-vegetarians. They are vegetarians who avoid all animal flesh and eggs but they do consume dairy products. Next is ovo-vegetarians. They are vegetarians who avoid all animal products except eggs. I have a separate video where I explain in detail everything about the vegetarian diet and the types of vegetarians. I will post the link in the description box below and you can check that out after this one. Now let's talk about vegan diet. A vegan diet can be viewed as a stricter form of vegetarianism. A vegan diet not only excludes animal flesh but also dairy, eggs and animal-derived products. These include gelatin, honey, whey, casein and etc. The Vegan Society defines veganism as a way of living which seeks to exclude as far as possible and practicable all forms of exploitation of and cruelty to animals for food, clothing or any other purpose. Vegans choose to avoid all byproducts of animals because they believe this has the largest impact on their health and the environment. Strict vegans also extend these principles beyond their diet and where possible avoid any products directly or indirectly involves the human use of animals. These products can include leather goods, wool, silk, beeswax, soap or candles which use animal fat, and cosmetics or other products that manufacturers test on animals. Vegetarians and vegans generally consume similar levels of nutrients. However, a poorly planned diet could result in the deficiency of a lot of nutrients. A vegan diet might be better than a vegetarian diet when it comes to controlling weight and also reducing the risk of certain diseases. However, if not well planned, a vegan diet is also more likely to cause nutrient deficiencies. It's important for vegetarians as well to plan their diets well in order to avoid health problems over the long term. So that's it for today guys. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful and informative. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.